Let us learn English of Standard First, and name of the story is The Egg. Dear children, today we are going to listen one story, a beautiful story. Here in this story there are three characters: a mother parrot, baby parrot and an egg. Okay, dear children, first we will listen the story in Hindi in short and then we will move to the English. Okay. The egg. एक पेड़ पे एक नेस्ट था, उसमें मदर पैरेट, बेबी पैरेट एंड वन एग रहते थे। क्या हो गया? एक दिन मम्मी ने बोला बेबी पैरेट को, बच्चा मैं बाहर जाके थोड़ा फूड कलेक्ट करके आऊंगी, तो क्या करेगी? एग को अच्छे से संभालेगी। ओके, तभी बेबी पैरेट खुश हो गया, मम्मी ने मुझे एक काम दे दिया एग को संभालने का। सो वो क्या करने लगी? एग को अच्छी तरह से देखते बैठी, बहुत देर तक देखते बैठी। उसके बाद में वो इधर उधर घूम के सब तरह से तसल्ली करने लगी कि एग बराबर है कि नहीं, वो वार्म है कि नहीं। ओके, वो ऐसा करते करते बहुत वक्त हो गया। तभी उसको क्या हो गया? बाजू में से वो मंकी का आवाज आ गया। बहुत सारे मंकी खेल रहे थे, कूद रहे थे। वो आवाज सुन के बेबी पैरेट क्या हो गया? उसके तरफ ध्यान दिया और वो भी मंकी जैसा आवाज निकालने लगी और अपने नेस्ट के एज में बैठ के मंकी का प्लेइंग सब देखने लगी और वो एग के बारे में भूल गई। थोड़ा वक्त के बाद उसको एग याद आ गया। अरे बाप रे, मैं तो एग को देखने भूल गई। ऐसे करके वापस एग के पास आ गई और एग को देख के वो डर गई, एकदम बच्चा डर गया। अरे बाप रे, ये क्या हो गया? इसको तो क्रैक आया है, अभी क्या होएगा? मम्मी आएगी और मम्मी बहुत चिल्लाएगी, मम्मी मुझे डांटेगी। अरे बाप रे, मैंने क्या कर दिया? ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था। ऐसा करके बहुत परेशान हो गई। उसके बाद में थोड़े वक्त के बाद मम्मी आ गई। मम्मी ने बिल्कुल उसके ऊपर गुस्सा नहीं किया और कुछ भी नहीं बोली और मम्मी बहुत खुश हो गई और बोली, डरना नहीं बेटा, अभी तो तुम्हारे साथ खेलने के लिए एक छोटी सिस्टर आ गई। बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है ना? ओके डियर चिल्ड्रन, वी विल लिसन द सेम स्टोरी इन इंग्लिश। द एग. Look, listen and read. You know the meaning of look, listen and read, isn't it? Here, baby parrot lived in a nest with mummy and a big white egg. You can see here a baby parrot, mummy parrot and a white egg. Okay, all three were lived in a nest on a tree. I am going to find some food, said mummy one day. This mother parrot said to the baby parrot that I am going out in search of food. I will bring some food for you. Okay. And she became ready to fly, and what she said at that time? You must look after the egg until I return. Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. See here, the mother parrot said to the baby that you have to look after the egg, and she went away. And the baby parrot stood here to look after the egg. She moved it around to make sure it was comfortable. See here, that baby parrot moved here and there to look after the egg, whether it is comfortable or not. Okay. She wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm. See here, she is wrapping her wings around the egg because the egg should be warm, isn't it? So it wrapped her wings around the egg. I am very good at looking after eggs, she thought. Here, just then she heard the monkeys playing in the trees. Yes, she was alone. She was looking after that egg. At the same time, that baby parrot heard the voice of monkeys. They are playing nearby. Baby parrot tried to call like a monkey too. She peered over the edge of the nest and laughed at their games. Yes, she was also a baby, isn't it? So she liked the voices and she also imitated the monkeys, and she came out and she watched the monkeys. Suddenly, baby parrot remembered the egg. Yes, she remembered the egg after a while and she came back to the nest. Remembered means yaad ana. The baby parrot remembered the egg and it came back. Yes, she came back and looking at the egg she gulped. बोलो तो gulp means थूक निगलना. Yes, she scared because the egg was broken. Can you see here the cracks on the egg? Yes, because of that the baby parrot scared. Mummy would be angry. But when Mummy returned, she wasn't angry at all. The baby parrot thought that Mummy would be angry. Yes, but Mummy wasn't angry at all when she returned. Don't worry, Mummy said to the baby parrot. As a little parrot popped out of the broken eggshell. We can see here a little parrot coming out from the eggshell. So, looking at this, Mummy said, "Don't worry, dear," to the baby parrot. And she said, "The egg has hatched while I was away. Now you have got a new baby sister to play with." She said, "Yes, you got a new baby sister. She is your own new baby sister. So you can play with her." Okay? Like this, the story ends. Isn't it nice one? You are like a baby parrot. How the baby parrot was beautiful, innocent, isn't it? Like you, right? Now, dear children, we will move to some exercise part. Look and say. You have to repeat after me. Okay? First one. B-A-B-Y. Baby. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. M-U-M-M-Y. Mummy. Here C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E. Comfortable. So comfortable. It is comfortable. Okay. R-A-P, wrap. Wrap means cover. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. याद आना, remember. Next is gulp. G-U-L-P, gulp. See this picture. This is gulping. Okay. Next, angry. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. गुस्सा करना, गुस्सा आना. E-double-G, egg. S-H-E-double-L, shell. Egg, shell. Eggshell. H-A-T-C-H, hatch. Hatch. See this? The egg is hatching. Can you see? The baby is coming out from the egg. That is hatching of the egg. Okay. Next, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister, बहन. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. E-D-G-E, edge. कैसे बोलते हैं? E-D-G-E, edge. Okay. Now one question is there. Who lived in the nest? Yes, dear children, you know the story. Who all lived in the nest? Yeah, come on, tell me the answer. Yes. Yeah, you are right. Answer is the mother parrot, baby parrot and the egg lived in the nest. Right? Mother parrot, baby parrot and the egg. What did the baby parrot remember? Yes. Answer. The baby parrot remembered the egg. Correct? Next. Now you have got a new baby sister to play with. Who said this? Again I will read. Now you have got a new baby sister to play with. Who said this? Yes, mother parrot said this or baby parrot said this? Correct. The mother parrot said this sentence. Okay. Next is add words to the following to make longer phrases. Here one example is given. We will study the example first. Then we will move to solve the given words. Okay. Add words. We have to add the words to make it a longer phrase. Example is first the word is a parrot. What is the word? The word is a parrot. Now one word we will add here. A baby parrot. What is added here? Baby. Correct? A baby parrot. One more word we will add here. A baby parrot in a nest. Got this? A baby parrot in a nest. Right? Next is egg. Okay, we will make a longer phrase by using the word egg. Here, an egg. Okay. Next, we will add one word, a round egg. What is the shape of the egg? It is round, isn't it? So, a round egg. Now, we will try to add one more word. Yes, what is the color of the egg? It is white. So, we will add here a round white egg. Got this, children? Like this you have to add one word to make it a longer phrase. Okay, the word should be related to that object. Got this? Next thing is mummy. Yes, first we will write my mummy. Okay, think about your mummy and you can add one word here. How is your mummy? My loving mummy. Isn't it? My loving mummy. Yes, we will try to add one more word along with loving. She takes care of you. Correct? So, we can write here my loving and caring mummy. Got this, children? How to add words and how to make the longer phrases? My loving and caring mummy. Okay? Here one more word is there, monkey. Yes, we will write here a monkey. Now we can add one word here. Here we will write baby. Okay. A baby monkey. Little monkey. Correct? A baby monkey. Yes. What we can add here? Monkeys jump. Right? So we can write here a jumping baby monkey or a jumping little monkey. Okay, you can add any word, but only one condition is there, that that word should be related to this given word. Okay, you try to add some more words and along with their phrases. Next is find the small words hidden in the big words. You know how to do this because we have tried this before in earlier lesson, isn't it? Here also we will try one and rest all you have to make. Okay, you have to make the hidden words. Now here comfortable. First we will write COMFORTABLE. Come for table. Together it make comfortable. Okay, you know what to do here. Find the small words hidden in the big words. This is a big word and there are so many small words. We can make 2-letter words. We can make 3-letter words. We can make 4-letter words. We can make 5-letter words too. Okay? Yes, dear children, we will start with 2-letter words. So many 2-letter words we will get in this big word. See example. O, F, off. A, T, at. O, R, or. Right? T, O, to. Then B, E, B. See, all these words are there. Sorry, all these alphabets are there in the big letter. All these alphabets we can see in this big word, isn't it? Okay, we will move to 3-letter word. See, this is F O R, for. Correct? Next, F A R, far. Then R A T, rat. We can write C A T, cat. Correct? Then we will move to 4-letter words. F O R T, fort. Killa. Next, C O M E, come. Next is A B L E, able. Next one, M-O-R-E, more, बहुत सारा. Now dear children, we will move to 5-letter words. See, here only we will get table, isn't it? C-T-A-B-L-E, table. You know the meaning of table, isn't it? Okay, one more we will write R-O-B-O-T, robot. This also you know, correct? Like this you can make any number of words, new words, okay, meaningful words. Yes, activity for you. Find the small words hidden in the big words. Here two more words are given. First one is eggshell and second one is monkey. Here you have to write a small words. Okay, you have to find out the small words hidden in this eggshell. Here I will tell you egg, right? Shell, H-E, he, S-H-E, she. So many are there. You can find out. Here also in monkey, there are so many hidden words are there. Please try to find out and try to make a list. Okay, this is an activity for you. I am sure that you will go for this. Okay. Next is find out the words from the story which contain blends, double letters in their spellings. Blends means double letters. In one word there should be double letter. Yes, dear children, please open your English Balbharati textbook, page number 67. Our story is there. Here we have to find out the words which contain blends, means double letters. Example is given, parrot. See, double R is there. Can you see here? So P-A-R-R-O-T. So this is blend word. Okay. The first one is, we will try to write here. Okay. Mummy. M-U-M-M-Y. Mummy. Isn't it? Here double M is there. Okay. Next, E-double-G, egg. Next, L-double-O-K, O is repeated. Correct? Next, F-double-O-D, food. Sixth one, wrapped. W-R-A-P-P-E-D, wrapped. Double P is there. G-double-O-D, good. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Peared. P-E-E-R-E-D. W-O-R-R-Y, worry. Double R is there. Yes, dear children, there are some more words in the story. Try to write here. Okay. Bye bye children. Try to read this story once or twice.